Have you ever felt nervous on your first day at a new job? You know that feeling when everything is new and you don't know anyone? Well, today we're going to listen to a real-life office conversation that will help you learn English, improve communication, and sound more confident at work. So let's begin.
Hi there. You must be the new employee, right?
Yes, hello. My name is Maurice. It's my first day here.
Welcome, Maurice. I'm Anna. I work in the marketing department. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Hannah. I'm really excited, but also a little nervous.
Oh, don't worry at all. Everyone feels that way on the first day. You'll get used to it soon.
Thank you. That's kind of you. The office looks nice and friendly.
Yes, it's a good place to work. Let me show you around a bit. Do you have a few minutes?
Sure, I'd love that. It will help me understand the place better.
Great. So, this is the reception area. If you ever have visitors, they'll wait here.
Oh, that's good to know. It looks very neat and welcoming.
And over here, you'll find the meeting rooms. We often have team discussions here every Monday.
That sounds interesting. I like team discussions. It helps improve communication and share ideas.
Exactly. Our manager always says that teamwork makes everything smoother.
That's a great thought. By the way, where is the cafeteria? I heard the coffee here is really good.
Yes, the coffee is amazing. The cafeteria is on the second floor. You'll love it.
Perfect. I can't start my day without coffee.
Me too. We can have coffee together later if you like.
That would be great. Thank you. By the way, what time does work usually start here?
Usually at 9 a.m., but most people arrive a little earlier to prepare for the day.
That's good. I like being early. It helps me stay calm and organized.
That's a nice habit. You'll fit in very well here.
I hope so. I really want to improve my English speaking and listening while working here too.
Oh, that's wonderful. We have colleagues from different countries, so you'll get a lot of practice every day.
That's exactly what I need. Real-life conversations help so much more than just studying books.
You're absolutely right, Maurice. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks, Anna. By the way, what do you like most about working here?
I think it's the people. Everyone is helpful and friendly. It feels like a small family.
That sounds amazing. I already feel a bit more comfortable now.
I'm happy to hear that. Oh, look, here's your desk. It's right next to mine.
Wow, nice. That means I can ask you for help if I get confused, right?
Of course. Don't hesitate. We all help each other here.
Thank you, Anna. You're really kind.
No problem. Do you want me to introduce you to our team leader?
Yes, please. That would be great. I'd love to meet him.
Okay, follow me. Hey, John. This is our new team member, Maurice.
Oh, hello, Maurice. Welcome to the team. How are you today?
Hello, John. I'm good, thank you. Just a bit nervous. It's my first day.
Totally normal. Don't worry. We'll help you settle in. You'll do just fine.
Thanks, John. I really appreciate that.
You can talk to Anna or me anytime you need help. We're all one team here.
That's nice to hear. I'm excited to start learning and contributing.
That's the spirit. Just take it one step at a time.
See, Maurice? Everyone here is friendly and supportive.
Yes, I can already feel that. It makes a big difference.
So, what kind of projects are you most interested in working on?
I'm interested in anything related to communication, writing, or helping clients. I like learning new things.
That's awesome. We'll definitely work together on some projects soon.
I'd love that. I believe teamwork helps us learn English naturally while improving our fluency and communication.
Absolutely. You'll be surprised how fast your English improves when you speak daily at work.
I hope so. I really want to speak English confidently and clearly.
You will, Maurice. Just keep practicing and listening. You're already doing great.
Thanks, Anna. Your words really encourage me.
You're welcome. Oh, it's almost lunchtime. Would you like to join me and a few others?
Sure, I'd love to. It's a good chance to talk and improve English speaking.
Exactly. And you'll get to know more people too.
Great, let's go then. I'm excited to make new friends.
That's the spirit. Let's grab lunch and chat more.
Perfect. I'm sure today will be a good start for my English fluency journey.
Definitely, Maurice. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Just keep learning and speaking.
You're right. Every conversation is a step forward to improve communication and English fluency.
Exactly. And you're already doing great on your first day.
Thanks, Anna. I'm really happy to be part of this office.
We're happy to have you here, Maurice. Welcome again.
Thank you so much. I'm ready to learn, work, and grow with all of you.
That's the attitude we love here.
So friends, that was a real-life English conversation about my first day at a new job. I hope you learned some useful office phrases and enjoyed listening to this friendly talk. Remember, if you want to learn English, improve communication, listening and speaking fluency, practice like this every day. Tell me in the comments, what would you say on your first day at a new job? I'd love to read your answers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you don't miss more English speaking and listening videos. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.